Welcome to Raghava Creations. Max is easy. Do subscribe our channel to learn Max in an easy and interesting way. Hello students of Standard 6. Today we are going to learn about geometry, and in geometry we are going to learn about lines, which is exercise 4.1 in your term 1. Okay, so let's see what is there in geometry. So you can see a small dot over here. So what is this called as? It is called as a point. And many points together form a line. So a line has two arrows at the end, which shows it can extend indefinitely on both sides. It means it can go long. A and B. We name the line as A and B. So a line is formed by joining a number of points. A line can extend indefinitely on both sides. So next we'll see what is a line segment. So we know this is a line. So a part of a line is called as a line segment. So CD is a part of a line AB. So CD is the line segment. The line segment has two end points. So it is the end. You cannot extend it more. Exactly you can measure and you can get the measure of a line segment. Next, we'll see what is a ray. So ray has one end point and another side as an arrow. That means it can extend on one side indefinitely. A ray is a part of a line with one end point and extends indefinitely on the other side. Types of lines. So what are the two types of lines? Parallel lines and intersecting lines. So let's see what are these two lines. So parallel lines are lines which do not meet or intersect at any point. So you have seen the tracks, the running tracks, they never meet at all. The railway tracks, the road. So these roads will not meet at a point. They only curve or they bend. So the distance between will be the same. So such lines are called as parallel lines. Intersecting lines. Two lines meeting at a point are called as intersecting lines. The point where the lines meet is called as the point of intersection. So here you can see a bridge where two roads meet at a point, and this is called as point of intersection. Even in railway tracks, you can see when the trains cross the tracks, at a point you have two intersecting tracks. So that is called as the intersecting lines. So let's see how to measure a line segment. So first is you have to use a ruler. So you know that this is a ruler. You need it to measure the line segment. So when you take the ruler, you have to place the 0 at one end point, and then you have to see where the other end point intersects with the ruler. Then see the 0 of the ruler coincides with the starting point and of the line segment. So here you have A and B. So the measure of this line segment is 7 centimeters. Check where the end points meet in the ruler, and that gives you the measure AB is equals to 7 centimeters. So now let's move into exercise 4.1 where you have sums. Fill in the blanks. A line through two endpoints A and B is denoted by. So always you denote a line AB by AB and a line with a small short line with two arrow marks. It shows that the line can be extended in both sides. A line segment from a point B to A is denoted as here. You have a line segment. A ray has dash endpoints. A ray has only one end point. How many line segments are there in the given line? Name them. So here is a line with P, A, B, C, Q are all the points on the line. So let's see what are the line segments. PA is a line segment. AB is a line segment. BC is a line segment. CQ is a line segment. Similarly, PB is also a line segment. So altogether, you have 10 line segments and they are PA, PB, then you have P and C, P and Q, AB, AC, AQ, BC, BQ, and CQ. Now next we have the next sum where you have intersecting and parallel lines given there for you. And your question is parallel lines. Name the parallel lines. So CD, EF, IJ are parallel lines. Name the intersecting lines. So here IJ intersects with GH, AB intersects with CD, AB intersects with EF, AB intersects with IJ, and AB intersects with GH. So two lines intersecting are intersecting lines. Points of intersection P, Q, and at R, they intersect. So next up, you have three lines and you have three parallel lines and you have two intersecting lines. All pairs of parallel lines. So you have L3 parallel to L4, L4 parallel to L5, and L3 is also parallel to L5. All pairs of intersecting lines. L1 intersects with L3, L4, and L5. Similarly, L2 intersects with L3, L4, L5, and with L1. So all these are intersecting lines. Pairs of lines whose points of intersection is B. So this is the point of intersection B, and the two lines that intersect is L1 and L2. Point of intersection of L2 and L3. L2 and L3 intersect at Q. Point of intersection of L1 and L5. L1 and L5 intersects at the point U. So now you have the number of line segments here again. AB, AC, BC. So you have three line segments. A line is denoted as AB and a line over it. And there we come to the end of this exercise. Hope this video was useful for you. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. We welcome you to watch our new channel, Info Colors, especially for kids.